My name is Bruno Rougeau of Fyre Capital. We provide an opportunity to increase income and grow wealth through commercial real estate. Fyre Capital is focused on providing value-add investment opportunities in multifamily, apartment buildings. We like multifamily for 3 reasons. Over the last 25 to 35 years, multifamily has consistently outperformed the stock market by about 6 to 10% per year. Secondly, performance in a downturn. When unemployment rises and foreclosures increase, housing remains a universal human need. People always need a place to live. Apartments provide a cost-effective alternative to an otherwise expensive housing market, and occupancy remains stable in a downturn. Lastly, tax advantages. Commercial multifamily offers significant tax advantages. Our investors receive annual K-1 statements which provide depreciation and operating expense write-offs used to offset income on your taxes. So returns, a preferred risk profile, and tax savings are 3 core reasons why we like multifamily. Some other things to keep in mind: as a general partner, we do all of the heavy lifting, from identifying markets to finding the best properties in those markets and on through the value creation, renovations, and operational improvements. The work is already done for you. These investments are also completely passive. Unlike a rental property where you're chasing down rent and fixing maintenance issues, these investments are completely hands-off. As a limited partner, your role is in providing the capital, the down payment. In exchange, you will receive an annual return typically paid monthly, as well as profits upon sale. Which brings us to return expectations. Generally with real estate, there are 2 ways to make money: ongoing rental cash flow and appreciation gains upon sale. Our return structure reflects that. So with a $100,000 investment, for example, you can expect 7 to 10% per year, or $7,000 to $10,000 in income each year during the hold period. Typically that's paid monthly. Once the property sells, you can expect your share of profits upon sale too. If you look at the total return, we're looking to double your money within 5 years. So $100,000 would go to $200,000. We do have some requirements for our investors. Namely, you must be either an accredited or sophisticated investor. An accredited investor meets a certain income or net worth level, and a sophisticated investor must have sufficient capital and experience to engage in these types of investments. Typically, the minimum investment is $50,000, although minimums can range from $25,000 to $100,000. How you fund the investment is entirely up to you. Our investors use a variety of methods. A popular method is a DCAR, or deferred compensation asset reposition, where you're able to use 401k or IRA funds. Over time, we tend to accumulate capital on our deferred compensation accounts, which, as you know, is solely invested in stocks and bonds. This is a great way to diversify risk in your portfolio by including stabilized commercial real estate assets. The last point I want to make is very important. We call it alignment of interest. The general partnership on each and every deal invests alongside you as another limited partner. Basically, we've got skin in the game too, which is really important, right? We're not here to sell investments that we don't believe in. We put our money where our mouth is and invest capital in every deal. A great way to learn more about us and what we do is right here on this website through our blog and FAQ section. Our Fireline video series is also available. But the best thing you can do is submit an interest card. We'll send you our prospectus, which shows our track record, business plan, and general information on what we do, as well as add you to our deals list, where you'll see our current opportunities as they become available.